Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to open a custodial account in Robinhood app or Robinhood. So how you can do it. Now if we talk about completely like if we can really open an account or not. So as you can read the article, does Robinhood offer custodial accounts? The clear answer is Robinhood does not offer a brokerage account, which is also known as custodial account for kids or anyone under the age of 18. So you cannot directly open a custodial account on the Robinhood. However, what you can do is just like there are some other trading apps which allow you to make your custodial accounts. The first one is Charles Schwab. You can just read the one of the top apps for custodial accounts, and the second one is Loved. Another software for custodial account is called Love, and it doesn't charge extra for trading or operating a custodial account. You can read the information. And the third one is called Vanguard. Vanguard is a special app designed for custodial accounts for accounts holders interested in mutual funds. So you can go through these applications, these three, like the Charles Schwab, Loved, and Vanguard, and do your process of related to the custodial account. So if you are like really looking on this process on Robinhood, so there is no option that you can create a Robinhood account or like a custodial account on Robinhood. So that is all about if you can create it or not. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.